You got cherry pie on your mind? Let me show you how it's done. Take 2.5 cups all-purpose flour and pour it into the food processor. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and give it a quick mix. Then dice 2 sticks of butter and add them to the flour. Use the pulse button and hit it until all the butter is incorporated into the flour. It will almost feel like cornmeal. Take 5 tablespoons of ice water and spoon that into the flour mixture. Again, hit pulse a couple of times until combined. Add another spoon, combine, and see if you need more water. I used about 7 here. You have to feel it and see if it sticks together. And as I poured it out on the counter, I saw it needed a bit more. So feel free to add water as needed. Just be careful and don't make it too wet. Okay, next we will form it into a nice ball. Cut it in half and make 2 equal pieces of pie crust. Wrap them into foil and let them chill in the refrigerator for about an hour. In the meantime, you can get the cherry pie filling ready. I have a separate video for that, and you should see the link for that on the top right. After the dough had enough time to chill, take it out and use your rolling pin to roll it out. Make sure it overhangs at least 1 inch so you can make a nice crust. In order to transfer it into the pan, simply roll the dough onto your rolling pin and unroll it onto your pie pan. Now fill in the cherry pie filling and level it. The pie pan to the side and roll out the second pie crust. But this time we will cut it into strips. We need about 10 1-inch strips. Then top the cherries with about a tablespoon of small cold butter cube. Take 5 of those strips and place them horizontally on your pie pan. The longer strips go into the center and the shorter ones toward the edges. Fold back the second and fourth strip halfway and place the long strip vertically into the center. Then fold the strips back and continue alternating the same way with all the strips until the lattice is finished. That looks really good. Tuck in all the excess dough around the edges. Now let's create a crimped pie crust. All you need is 3 fingers. Hold the outside of the crust with 2 fingers and use another finger inside to push it. See? Just like that. Then brush the top with egg wash and sprinkle with sugar crystals. Then bake the pie at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. Let it cool for several hours.